How do you look at the opportunities?
There is enormous opportunity. The days of small companies are over. The companies below 100 crore will not survive. And this number is going to push up further up as the years pass by. And in next 4 to 5 years, companies below 250 crore may not survive. So for us, it presents an opportunity to acquire company at much lower considerations. So this, I think, is the largest opportunity, and this scenario will continue for next 18 to 20 months because the economy is still hitting very hard to existing ID companies, and it has scared the promoters and the owners of small companies. They want to pull in with a company that can become bigger.
Organic or inorganic, from where do you expect the major growth?
Inorganic will be our growth area, though organically will be growing 20 to 24%. Inorganically will grow 60 to 70%, so that we attain a growth of 100% almost every year. I mean, in detailed business plan we have explained it, which is also in public domain in BSE website. So our focus is definitely organic growth. Our focus is very integrated growth, but to acquire new services and new geography, we would be acquiring companies rather than starting a greenfield venture anywhere.
Your business growth and profit margins are where? More in USA, Europe or other countries?
Prism is predominantly in US and Far East area, and right now I see very high margins in India. I see good margins in Thailand, and I am seeing margin improvement in Europe. But going forward a year from today, I would assume that my margins will be highest in Europe, followed by India, and then rest of Asia.
How well your risk is diversified?
Could you repeat that question?
How well your risk is diversified?
I mean, it's a very low risk company. We don't have any client concentration. Okay, our largest client would not be more than 4% or 5% of our total revenue. We are very good at getting new business. This year, Prism has been awarded highest net revenue that was brought to SAP, and highest net new customer to SAP, and these two trophies are placed in front of you. I would like to show you this trophy. So we had two of the trophies in this. So in the first year, if Prism can do this, you can imagine the power of leadership the company has.